Hello guys, Daniel back here with another video, and I'm going to be doing a 255k Pro Pack opening. So, yeah, I'm hoping for something good. Let's see what I can get. Big lot of nothing. Hey. So I just done one a minute ago, just not on, I'm not going to post it, and I only got one elite. Yeah, it's upsetting. It wasn't even a good elite. I got the Navarro Bowman Team of the Week, I think. Oh, actually, that's pretty good. Rudy White for the Falcons captain. I'll take it. I mean, I'll have to see what their captain is because I don't know who it is. Nothing out of that pack.
No, I like to see you pull.
Nope.
Cam Newton.
Pulls Cam Newton. No. Let's just see if I can pull something. Boom, nothing. Oh, and if you're wondering how I got 250k, I did a large quick sell opening just for fun.
The first one.
I did three of them.
Three.
And I got two 1Ks and, well, 250. I wasn't thinking I was going to get anything good.
Which the same happened with me. I got
Boom.
no elites.
Nothing.
Probably because I opened a legend.
Yeah, nothing so far. At all. I mean, I guess the Rudy White collectible is good. That's about it. At least so far, it's good. Only elite. Come on, give me more elites. A whole lot of nothing. Even more nothing. Ooh, yeah, no. Just no. Give me something good. Please, 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 please. Please, I said please. Please? Come on. Nothing. Come on. Nothing. What did I get? Ooh. Oh, never mind. I didn't know it was just a Frozen logo.
Oh, I saw it was the one.
Yeah, that's the same. Oh. What did I do?
That's probably what happened.
Nothing. This is upsetting. Ooh, Jordy Nelson. Doesn't even update my team.
Gonna sell him.
Yeah. Nah, I'm gonna keep him. Just cause. Okay, well that was my first elite, I guess. Pretty bad one, but I guess I'll take it.
I thought it was gold at first. Then I looked at it.
What? How could you think it was a gold without? Okay, Okay, Frozen Gift. I don't know what could be in that one. I do have the website that dude predicted most of them. Speaking of which, I did get the JJ Watt out of position tight end. It's a really cool card. Nah. Even more nah. Nah, not yet. Maybe I could get a little something. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Nothing.
Wow.
Oh, Charles Woodson. Dang it.
Is he any good?
He's retiring, dude. He only has 2 more games.
Really?
Monday was his last game at his home stadium. It's pretty sad. I liked him as a player. I like the Vikings and Raiders. They're my teams.
What is that?
I don't know. I'm gonna look at some people. Okay, come on. Give me another elite. Nothing.
No.
Come on. Give me something. Nothing.
Devin White.
He's decent.
I've bought him before for like 20.
No, you didn't.
Bought him for 5.
If you bought it for 20k, you're stupid. Nothing. We got 2 more, guys. Nothing. Come on. Final pack. Gonna close my eyes. Okay. Can't see, but I'm closing my eyes. Closing the logo. Okay. Well, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Anything's appreciated. If it's not too much to ask, subscribe. I don't know. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Yeah.